Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between towering mountains, there lived a woman named Liera. From a young age, Liera displayed courage and determination beyond her years. Raised by her grandmother after her parents passed away, she learned the ways of the land and the importance of standing up for what was right. As the village faced numerous challenges, including harsh winters and raids from neighboring tribes, Liera emerged as a beacon of hope. She fearlessly defended her people, whether it was standing guard during the night or negotiating peace treaties with rival clans. But Liera's bravery truly shone when a ferocious dragon threatened to destroy the village. While others cowered in fear, Liera devised a plan to confront the beast. With her unwavering resolve and cunning tactics, she led a team of warriors to the dragon's lair. In a dramatic showdown, Liera faced the dragon head-on, armed with only her wit and a few trusted companions. Despite the odds stacked against them, they fought valiantly, and Liera ultimately outsmarted the dragon, convincing it to leave the village in peace. Her bravery and leadership inspired her fellow villagers, and Liera became a legend in her own right. From that day forward, she was known as the bravest woman in the land, a symbol of resilience and courage for generations to come.